Success for us is that businesses come here and outgrow the facilities. CEME is really good at creating the environment and creating the conversations that create the opportunities. One of our customers once described it as she worked in the Middle East, and she said, I used to go and teach in palaces. This is like a palace in an oasis. It drives a sense of inspiration, it drives a sense of attainment and pride. So the first thing I would say is the facilities are incredible. We have an event space and it's all 5-star. That's easy. It's delivering a 5-star service, and it's taking customers on a journey that's actually not as easy to do, and that's why values underpin who we are and what we're about. We've invested massively in IT to support our companies. We have to stay right at the front of the curve, both in terms of the UK, but internationally. So we are constantly innovating and evolving. We are really focused on taking away worries that an entrepreneur might have about overcommitting. We take all that away so they can focus on growing the business. It's incredible how that leads to business growth stories. Small businesses grow not by accident, but by opportunity.